Hi everybody. Today we are going to be making amazing vegan jerk jackfruit tacos. So these are all our ingredients here, and we'll be right back in a few seconds. Okay everybody, let's start cooking our amazing jerk jackfruit tacos. So we can start greasing our pan with oil. Put a bit of that on. Of course we have to open it. That's a mistake I do all the time. So yeah, that's good. Okay, maybe a bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila. And then we can put this on. Okay everybody, now I am going to put in scallions, garlic, and our ginger in our pan here. So we can put all of this in. Put all of that. Ooh, that looks perfect. Makes it that little sizzling. Put that in. And this is a very easy and yummy meal. So start using our little thing. And these things are super easy. So kids, don't do this because it is very hot. But maybe get your parents or something to do it. Make it easier. So there we go. Okay, ready? So I turned the heat down to make it a bit better instead of sticking and burning. Now we can add our jerk spices. We can put all of these in. There we go. This is gonna be, I'm telling you, very good too. So, whew, it smells, yeah, making good. It smells really good. So, I bet you guys will enjoy this too. So, super easy to make, very good for you. And it has a lot of history, and I like making Jamaican food like this. That's kind of my heritage and all that. So I like making this stuff too, and making it vegan is way better for the animals and our environment. Okay, and everybody, now we can add the jackfruit super quickly. Here we go. Okay. It is spicy. It is. It really is, so. What is in jerk seasoning is, what makes it all is allspice, onion powder, garlic, and cumin. And that makes it good, so. And nutmeg, of course. Nutmeg, too. Nutmeg's good, too, so. And yeah, this is very easy and a great thing to make, so. Very, yep, good. And this is jackfruit. I'll put a fun fact on. Okay, and everybody, in here is tomato paste, agave, and tamari in here. So this looks really good. Don't want to spit it. Put it in our jackfruit with our tomato paste and all that. Okay, this is going to be really yummy. I'm telling you from my heart. I know it is, so. Maybe we can put it on a bit. Put it on 5. Maybe that'll make it a bit. Yes. And like I said, I'll put a jackfruit fun fact on the screen right now. You can put it here or wherever. I don't know. So maybe here, maybe there. Yep. So it's gonna be good. Okay, and everybody, you can cook this for about 20 minutes, so that would be good, perfect. So it gets all that spices in and all that, and this smells delicious. It's outstanding. So it's a film and 1 foul. Okay, everybody, I'm frying up a corn tortilla. Let's see if we can flip it. 1, 2, voila! Hooah! There we can go. Yeah, that's how you do it, folks. Woo! 1 more, why not? From the chef. 1. 1 more, why not, right? 1 more. Woo. Okay, everybody, I'm sorry that you had to see that fall, but that's life. But we've got it. We've got our corn tortilla. Now we can put our amazing jackfruit and. So, let's start with our jackfruit. I might need a bigger spoon, but you know, this is actually perfect. So we go like that. Go like that. And then go like that. We got that. Okay, now we can have put our mango salsa on. This looks great. Okay. Okay, got that on. Okay, now we're ready. Okay, last but not least, we can put a bit of our cheese on. And then, boop, there we go. And then, ooh, we can eat this bad boy. So cheers to the camera. And cheers. Perfect. This is plain day. That is super delicious and super easy to make. So happy you joined me with this, and this is a very easy and great thing to make. So yeah. Wait. Try to roll the music again. Try and get this over. So thank you guys so much for joining me. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Facebook is facebook.com/
King Zoom the Vegan Kid. Instagram is the same, and Twitter is King Zoom.
So thank you, and we'll see you next time.